when you come in, this is a door. Disregard how the bathroom looks. This is the bathroom. There's a shower. Toilet is over there. And then we're gonna move on right here. Behind this little mirror is where like the ironing board is. And these are the beds. Okay. They have a little table, little dresser area over here. Microwave, and then you have a mini fridge, and then it's just a view of the parking lot out there. You have a chair over here, and the rooms are pretty big.